up, and welcome back to a very exciting video. As you can tell by the title, I am going to be staying at Getaway House Portland today, and I am so excited. I'm taking my photographer with me up there. I'm currently sat in a very long Starbucks drive-through line, which kind of sucks, but at the same time it gives me time to do this intro. But yeah, Getaway House invited me up there to take some pictures and post on Instagram for them. So this video isn't sponsored at all. I'm only doing stuff with them on Instagram, but I did think that this would be a really fun opportunity to vlog the whole experience and show you a little more of my time staying there versus just the pictures that you might see on Instagram. But yeah, by the time this video is up, I'm sure I'll have lots of pictures of Getaway House on my Instagram, so I'll insert some on here, and you can also check me out on Instagram at itsmarisa_k. And I do have a discount code as well. If you love what you see in this video, there are Getaway Houses all across the country, and you can use the code itsmarisa25 for $25 off of your booking. But yeah, I am going to get my coffee and head on the road. It is currently raining outside, just in the typical Oregon fashion. Of course I was hoping for sun, but you know what, it's Oregon and it wouldn't be a trip without it raining the whole time, so it's just like the true Pacific Northwest experience, I guess. But yeah, I'm gonna grab my coffee and I'll take you guys along with me. Alrighty, just made it to our little house. They all have their own names, so I am staying in the Dominique today. There's a little bench and a fire pit, but I think it's a little too cold for me to be out here having a fire. It is quite chilly, but it's so cute, just its own little tiny house out here. I'll give you guys a little bit more of a tour. Kind of like carefree on like a log, you know?
You're right here. Do you want that in the background? Oh, come on, balance beam, you got it. You didn't do gymnastics in heels though.
Okay.
Bring your right hand up more.
Up?
Yeah.
Okay. Videotaping the whole time. Don't get this.
Do you need help? I'm just doing lighting, so hold on.
I just don't want it to.
We might need the
There we
light
go.
here.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. It's kind of dark.
Okay, let me put this down here.
Making drinks.
You're like bartender, hire me.
Don't pour too much.
I'm wasted.
Yeah. Like Monica on her 30th.
Yes. Your little harmonica
Is
Harmonica.
what she is hammered. The current situation right now is top knot, some pajamas, and slippers because we were shooting some cute little like on the bed cozy pictures. So we know that Getaway is literally made for Nikki because they have a little s'mores package. So we're gonna get that going on the fire. So when you walk into the cabin, you're met with the little kitchen right here, and then off to your right is some hooks for you to hang up all of your stuff. You can see mine right here. Backpack is down there, and then the kitchen is like full service all ready for you. So there are, you know, pots, pans, dishes, and stuff. They do have some snacks and food available for you to purchase if you want. You can see our little setup from our pictures earlier. But yeah, they even have a little stove and a kettle, a refrigerator, all sorts of things for you. One of my favorite things is up here they have all of these different like outdoorsy books for you to read, and also this cute little radio. It's just like so vintage. Definitely the vibe out here. And then I love this at night, just being able to look outside at the woods. I brought my own blanket, by the way, just because I wanted it to be a little more of like my aesthetic for some pictures, but this is the bed and it just has the most gorgeous view to look outside. And then on the table, a little welcome packet. They also have this super cute little postcard that you can send. And then the whole point of Getaway House is to be offline, so they offer this little cell phone lockbox that you can put your phone in while you're out here, which I think is really cool if you really want to like immerse yourself in the getaway escape. I am gonna be watching Netflix tonight and editing some photos, so I don't think that I'm gonna put my phone in here, but that is a really nice touch. Okay, so when you turn on the light in the bathroom, the fan comes on, so I apologize. They have some more hooks, which I hung my clothes on because I was doing some outfit changes, but they have a nice little shower right here, which is honestly the same size as my apartment shower, so love that. And it even has some toiletries for you to use. And then on this side, it's just some towels and the toilet and then a little first aid kit.